Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ay ang quick energy check-in, 8-minute reading for Cancer. Okay, alright. So, ang gagawin ko ay bubunot ako ng 2 cards for the recent past, then 2 cards for the near future, and then interpret natin siya. Tapos, bubunot ako ng 2 cards for the present to find out ano yung nangyayari sa present that was affected by the recent past and what may affect the near future. Okay? So, and then bubunot tayo ng isang oracle card as advice from the universe. So gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng Cancer na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much po. Sana tuloy-tuloy lang po suporta by liking this video or commenting below. At sa mga bago, sana mag-subscribe din po kayo para updated din kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang love readings. Okay, let's begin. I'll get the 6th card dahil June pa rin naman ngayon. Okay, oops. First card, recent past. Okay, 3 of Wands. And 7 of Coins. Okay. And then near future. 6 of Coins. Okay. And 4 of Swords. Okay. And so in the recent past, I can see that there was this romance na nag-bloom and nag-flourish siya. There's a lot of adventures din or activities na ginawa kayo together as a couple that allowed each other to parang mas makilala pa yung isa't isa at mas mag-grow pa yung relationship. Okay, and with the 7 of Coins, it's again, it's a slow growth. Yung energy kasi na 7 of Coins is may growth sa relationship pero parang step by step siyang nangyayari. Hindi siya yung agad-agad na parang may milestone kayong na-achieve. And I think here, as you can see here dun sa 3 of Wands energy, di ba? Parang someone is climbing the stairs and hindi siya madali, di ba? Na may mga pinagdaanan din kayo as a couple, may mga challenges din, pero nalampasan nyo naman siya. And dahil doon, yung mga small milestones led to a bigger milestone in your relationship. And pagdating dito sa near future, there's a lot of reciprocation na mangyayari. And this yung sense of gratitude na happy or thankful kayo na nakilala nyo isa't isa, thankful kayo na dumating yung person na to sa buhay ninyo, thankful kayo for the relationship. May ganong energy na in the near future. And with the 4 of Swords here, it's mas determined pa kayo na mag-continue yung ganong feeling sa relationship. And para ma-maintain, ma-continue nga yung ganung feeling sa relationship, what must be done, syempre. So, nasa sa inyo niya, alam ninyo kung ano yung current situation ninyo as a couple. So, yeah, tignan natin kung ano yung present energy, kung bakit yun yung possible na mangyari in the near future and how it was affected by the recent past. So, first card, okay, Page of Swords. And the Chariot, okay. So, yeah, dahil nga, di ba, may baby steps yung nangyayari in the recent past. Pero, at the moment, yung baby steps na yon nagiging malaking strides na siya. Malaking steps na siya. Kaya yun yung near future energy ninyo. Kasi from like small steps in the recent past, creating milestones, working on the growth, yung growth ng relationship para paunti-unti. Pero ngayon, malalaki na yung nangyayari. Dahil siguro din mas nakilala nyo pa yung isa't isa, alam nyo na rin kung paano ina-navigate yung relationship, alam nyo na rin yung relationship goals ninyo, and you both are working together para ma-achieve yun. With the Page of Swords, it's a new beginning on this phase ng relationship ninyo na hindi na baby steps ang growth na nangyayari. So, yung growth na yon with the Chariot card, mas mag-move forward pa siya at magpo-proceed pa siya faster or than you expected din. Na parang, na-achieve na natin to, na-reach na natin tong relationship goal na to, nandito na tayo sa milestone na to, na kala nyo parang mas mangyari pa siya on a later time, pero nakita nyo ngayon na mas na at the present moment nangyayari na siya, kaya medyo na-project nyo na rin or sort of na-forecast nyo na rin ano yung mangyayari between the two of you in the near future, and that is this energy of gratitude and wanting it and the determination to keep that fire glowing. Diba? So, tingnan natin ano yung advice ni Universe sa inyo. And just to remind everyone that this is a collective reading, collective and general love reading. So, it may or may not resonate with everyone. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Okay? So, what's the advice of the universe? Bunot tayo ng magnificence. Yeah. When it comes to magnificence, di ba, it's something na kunwari, like you really look up to. Diba? When someone or something is very magnificent, it's parang yun yung bagay na parang you look up to or gusto nyo ma-aim din sa buhay nyo, because it has this certain regal energy in it. So here at the moment, your current situation is yun nga, dahil nag-move siya from smaller to bigger, so it's something that yung magnificence nga nung relationship ninyo is nandun na, and you're hoping na mas move forward pa ito, and sinasabi lang din ni universe to keep that magnificence energy in your relationship para ma-achieve nyo rin what you're aiming for in the near future. Okay? So, ayun, sana nakatulong itong reading na to sa inyo. Use it with discernment pa rin. And yeah, kita-kits na lang sa susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. Muli, kita-kits. Ingat!